Commanders morning, to and from all corners of South Africa. Revolutionary greetings, revolutionary wishes, city happy Christmas and a prosperous new year. Kuwo wonke ama-supporters abalandeli be-MK, sithi hlangana muntu omnyama, hlangana muntu onsundu. Siyabonga. Nakuma card holding members e-MK, sithi siyabonga, hlangana muntu omnyama, hlangana muntu onsundu. Uhambo lwe-MK party alikabi lude kakhulu, luselfishane, kodwa imhuzuko esemningi, but we are still standing. We are still firmly standing on these grounds. We have been in and out of courts of law, but we always came out victorious. We've held 2 rallies in big South African stadiums, one in Johannesburg, Orlando Stadium, and recently one in the Moses Mabhida Stadium. And we are only a year old. The struggle continues. Aluta continue. A lot of sabotages, but we always, against all odds, came out victorious, and we are still going to come out as conquerors of the white monopoly capital, because that is the only enemy of a black man, of a black child, the white establishment. We will continue try to fight the inequality, unemployment, poverty. That's the enemy number 1 of the black child, of a black man, of a black person. So, umyalezo ebenginawo kuma members nakubalandeli nakubathandi bomkhonto wesizwe, ake sithathe leli thuba siyinikeze esikhathi sokufunda umthetho sisekelo we-organization. Noma ngabe ufunda nje umusho, isentence elilodwa ngosuku, noma ibe mbili, kulungile. Kumele masiwazi, siwuphefumule, siwuphile, siwucule umthetho sisekelo we-organization. Okwesibili, uma si-engage nabantu, si-engage nabo with utmost respect, high moral, high discipline. Bakhona nje njengoba senza le video abazofika bezokhomenta. Uma sebefikile ke bakhomenta, bangakhomenta kahle, akufanele-ke thina ebese sibuyisela noma siphendula ngale ndlela ebezobe bekhomente ngayo, ebezobe ingekho right. Cha, asiba engage nje kahle abantu with respect and discipline. Baba wethu Nxamalala Msholozi, umthandazo wami munye. Baba, usuwenzile umsebenzi futhi usaqhubeka nokwenza. Ngiyacela uNkulunkulu engathi engakupha amehlo nengqondo kamoya, ukwazi akusondezele abantu abaholi abazokwazi ukuphatha abantu, abazokwazi ukuhlonipha abantu, abaholi abanonembeza, ngoba izwe lethu lase-South Africa lila likhona nje namhlanje kungenxa yabaholi abangazange babe nabo onembeza. Baba, ngiyacela umthandazo wami lo ukuthi uNkulunkulu engathi engakupha amehlo nomqondo kamoya wasezulwini, abantu esinikezwa bona ukuthi basihole kwi-organization babe nawo lowo moya, babe nayo leyo nkonzo ngaphakathi yokuhlonipha, leyo nkonzo kanembeza, leyo nkonzo yokwazi ukuphatha abantu. Usubasile Baba lo mlilo, akekho osayophinda awucishe, akekho osayophinde awucishe. Ilowo nje umkhuleko wami. Ma-commanders, iqhawe lethu Stephen Bantubiko wafa ethe, the greatest weapon in the hands of the oppressor is the mind of the oppressed. Fikile ke iMK manje ithi the greatest weapon in the hands of the oppressed is unity in action. Khonto wesizwe uthi hlangana muntu onzundu, hlangana muntu omnyama, Tsonga, Venda, Xhosa, Sotho, Zulu, Shangaan, everything, everybody. Qobo nje makuwumuntu onzundu sithi hlangana. Nasi isitha sethu simile la, kade sama iminyaka sihlangane, siwahlanganise wonke lamavoti ukuze sizokwazi ukunqoba lesi sitha lesi. Ngalowo mazwi ke ngithi kini nonke abantu bakithi, as iMK Party sithi nibe namaholide amahle anokuthula nemndeni yenu, siphinde futhi sihlangane ngonyaka ozayo emva kwaNcibijane siphilile sithokozile. Siqhubeke ke nokungapheli makhomanda phambi kwamehlo abantu. Iyona kuphela i-organization le engakaze inyamalale phambi kwamehlo abantu even after ama-elections. Asiqhubeke kanjalo ma-commanders, singapheli phambi kwemehlo yemphakathi esiphila kuyona kuze kufike isikhathi sokuthi siya kuma-local government elections 2026 siyonqoba. Revolutionary greetings, revolutionary wishes. Siyabonga, high moral, high discipline. Thank you.